Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm bringing you another Royal Enfield, and in this case the Super Meteor 650. As you can see, it's a very beautiful motorcycle. First of all, it's a cruiser, mid-range cc's, so it's 648 cc's, but it is designed to cruise, not to track days. From my experience riding it around the 110, 120 maximum, it's the best thing, the best speeds to ride, especially without the pack, the touring pack, which I'll talk to you in a while. It has a new frame, a new swing arm. The engine, it's exactly the same engine you find in the two other models from this manufacturer. And the big thing here, it's the quality and the details that they put on this motorcycle. Royal Enfield is starting to launch beautiful, interesting motorcycles with quality at a reasonable price. And this one doesn't fall apart from it. Talking about qualities, let's take a look at the specs. And we're gonna start here on the front, where we have this traditional round headlight, very suitable on this kind of motorcycle. But the first time in Royal Enfield motorcycles, the lights, everything, it's LED. The suspension, again, upside down suspension from Showa, 43 millimeters diameter with a course of 120 millimeters. One disc, 320 millimeters with clippers from Bybri, two pistons on the front, and the alloy rims, the 19 inches rims. In this case, the tires are tubeless and the dimensions are 100/90. Moving to the rear of the motorcycle, we do have this seat. It's a really low seat and it's wide and it's comfortable, which is important. We do have these holders here. I think it's for the accessories, for the luggage, so you can put some luggage on the motorcycle. The lights, like in the front, everything, it's LED, the turn signals and everything. The rear suspensions are dual shocks, again from Showa, with a course of 100 millimeters adjusted in preload. One disc, 300 millimeters with ABS from Bosch dual channel. And to finish the set, we do have the same aluminium rims. On the rear, 16 inches rims, tubeless tires like in the front, with the generous dimensions 150/80. And to talk about the engine, other specification of the motorcycle that we usually see while I'm riding, I'm gonna put on my gear, where we're gonna see the suspensions, we're gonna see the dashboard, the mirrors, the brakes and all that things while riding. And for that, helmet on, motorcycle almost on, side stand off, and ready for first gear. And let's hit the road. Okay guys, here I am on board of the Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650, and the first thing you're gonna notice is that I'm in the middle of traffic with this beautiful cruiser, and I'm gonna show you that it is possible to navigate or to commute in the middle of traffic with this motorcycle without major issues. We have some issues because not of the motorcycle, but because the cars, they are not moving, but I am able to go on my way to work without problems, taking commute and do all my stuff like a normal motorcycle. Besides this one weighing around 240 kilograms, which is a little bit in the middle of traffic like this, but when you are starting to ride, it becomes very comfortable and very easy to ride. Since I'm stopped here and there's nothing I can do, handlebar, the levers, we do have adjustments on both levers. You have this button here to change between odometer, trip 1 and trip 2, high beams, low beams, passing lights, blinkers left and right, and a horn. On the other side, starter of the motorcycle and the kill switch and the hazard lights. Super simple, all the things that you need, and as you can see, everything with quality. And that's something that's standing out on Royal Enfield nowadays. It's the quality of the materials. It's not that cheap materials that they had in the beginning. Now we notice the attention they have to the details. Look at this beautiful dashboard here. It's analogic with digital, where you have the speed there, then we do have the fuel level, a clock, the gear indicator, and the, like I said, the odometer trip 1 and trip 2. And on the other side we do have another display, another digital display, which basically is the navigation system from Royal Enfield, where you have to connect to your phone, and then it will show there the way or the directions of your route. If you have to turn right, turn left, go forward and all that stuff, it will show you that. The clock, it's not properly set, it's there, but I need to set that thing. And the main thing is the look. It looks really nice, and I'm not in a hurry, that's why I'm not rushing and moving ahead in traffic. We do have this nice tank with this beautiful design, 15 point something liters, I think 15.5 liters, so you have around 350-400 kilometers range. The main thing here, seat height 740 millimeters, so everyone will reach the floor without any issues. Is really designed for the ladies. They will not complain about reaching the floor on this motorcycle. I'm saying the ladies because usually they are shorter than men, okay? So with this motorcycle they will reach the floor without any problems. And the rest, it's just enjoy the motorcycle. She's designed to be cruising, to be running around, not to be in the middle of the traffic. This is not what she's designed for, okay? And like you can see, we can go here without any problems, go in our route, enjoy our commute, and be on our way without major issues. Just going. The engine, it's the same engine you'll find in the Interceptor and the Continental GT. It's exactly the same one, so it is more than reliable. That was the whole, and the good thing I passed on the whole, so I can talk about the suspensions, and then I'll return to the engine, show the suspensions, everything working as it's supposed to be. Upside down on the front, dual shock on the rear, and back to the engine is the same twin parallel engine, 649 cc's, 47 horsepower, 52 newtons, Euro 5 engine. Like I said, you can find it in other models. I'm not gonna even mention the engine. All the chromes here on the motorcycle that give you that cruiser look, they look nice, okay? And we have chromes, but we don't have an exaggeration of the chromes. It's just the chromes where it's needed to give it this look, and that's something that's very important. They didn't exaggerate on the decoration of the motorcycle. If you want to exaggerate, they do supply accessories. Of course, it's a Royal Enfield, it's a cruiser, and they have accessories as usual. But there's one pack that I think that you should consider for this motorcycle, which is the cruiser pack. I think it's cruiser it's called, which is a windscreen here on the front, seat a little bit more comfortable, and a backrest for the pillion. That with long commutes will make the motorcycle much more pleasant to ride, because here in the middle of city where I am now, these low speeds, there is no issues, okay? I can go slow, no problems, the wind doesn't bother me that much. But on a highway where we can reach a little bit more speeds, since it's a naked, I will have a little bit more problems. Another thing, I'm a tall guy, this is my problem, okay? The foot pegs for me should be a little bit more up front, because I have long legs, but it is doable. I can commute without any problems, and I do like the motor. Look at the engine. Woohoo! I can't do too much, okay? It's traffic, so I'm just showing you here that it is doable. You can commute to work, from home to work, with the motorcycle without any problems. It's a different review than the usual where you just see me rolling on the street. This one will show you that commuting to work and all that stuff, it is possible, it is doable, and this motorcycle does allow you to do that. Now we do something like this, and we can try a little bit the engine and the brakes. ABS working. ABS working like a charm, everything working. I do like it. Woo! Again, yes, I like the motorcycle. It's planned, it's fun, it's pleasurable, and it gives me a lot of style while riding the Royal Enfield, the Meteor, the Super Meteor 650. Having said this, guys, I hope that you like this presentation, little test ride of this Royal Enfield. I know there was no top speeds because it's my home, it's my work home commute, but if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you receive my future videos, follow my other networks, leave your comments down below, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!